The external storage devices used in computers and electronic devices have undergone major advancements since 1956. These improvements include increases in capacity, speed, and storage technologies. This document reviews the history, features, and interesting facts about each type of memory in chronological order of their creation. 1. Floppy disks. History. Introduced by IBM in 1971, floppy disks were the first portable external storage media for data. Initially 8-inch in size, later models included 5.25-inch and 3.5-inch disks. Functionality. Features. These disks used a soft magnetic coated disk to read and write data. Unlike hard drives, they used moving parts and had limited capacity. Measurement unit. From kilobytes, KB, to megabytes, MB. Interesting facts. The original 5.25-inch floppy had 360 KB of capacity. The 3.5-inch version held up to 1.44 MB. 2. Hard disk drives, HDDs. Reason for evolution. Due to low capacity and speed, floppy disks were gradually replaced by hard drives and other storage media. 2.1 HDD types. General info. HDDs store long-term data in computers, servers, and electronic devices using magnetic platters. Their high capacity and low cost make them ideal for bulk storage. Popular HDD models. 1. Blue. Use, daily use, and home PCs. Features. Suitable for general data like photos, videos, and documents. Capacity. 500 GB to 6 TB. Speed. 5,400 or 7,200 RPM. Ideal for general users, home systems, laptops. 2. Black. Use. Gaming, video editing, professional tasks. Features. Higher speed and cache than blue. Capacity. 1 TB to 6 TB. Speed. 7,200 RPM. Ideal for high-performance needs. 3. Red. Use. Designed for NAS, Network Attached Storage. Features. Optimized for 24/7 operation. Capacity. 1 TB to 14 TB. Speed. 5,400 RPM. Ideal for continuous use in NAS systems. 4. Purple. Use surveillance and CCTV systems. Features. Optimized for video data. Capacity. 1 TB to 8 TB. Speed. 5,400 RPM. Ideal for DVR, NVR, and video recording. 5. Seagate Barracuda. Use. General purpose home and desktop use. Features. Good speed and wide capacity range. Capacity. 500 GB to 8 TB. Speed. 7,200 RPM. Ideal for general use, gaming, home data storage. 6. Seagate Iron Wolf. Use NAS and network environments. Features. Built for high-pressure 24/7 operations. Capacity. 1 TB to 16 TB. Speed. 5,900 or 7,200 RPM. Ideal for NAS, data centers, and heavy network storage. 7. Seagate Skyhawk. Use surveillance and video systems. Features. Designed for continuous video data storage. Capacity. 1 TB to 10 TB. Speed. 5,900 RPM. Ideal for DVR, NVR, surveillance. 2.2 SSD, solid-state drive. Definition. SSDs use NAND flash chips instead of mechanical parts for storing data. They are significantly faster, more durable, and consume less power than traditional HDDs. Popular SSD models. 1. Blue SSD General Use 250 GB 2 TB SATA 3. 2. Black SSD Gaming Heavy Tasks 250 GB 2 TB NVMe. 3. Red SSD NAS Networks 250 GB 4 TB SATA NVMe. 4. Seagate Barracuda SSD General Use 250 GB 2 TB SATA 3. 5. Seagate Firecuda SSD Gaming Video Editing 500 GB 2 TB NVMe. 3. CDs Compact Discs. History. Introduced in 1980, 2 by Sony and Philips. Functionality. Use laser to read pits and lands on the disk. Capacity. 700 megabytes. Interesting facts. Popular in the 1980s, 1990s for audio, video. Usage declined with the rise of DVDs and flash media. 4. DVDs. Digital Versatile Discs. History. Introduced in 1995, used for video and data storage. Functionality. Laser, based like CDs but with better capacity. Types. DVD-R, write, once. DVD-RW, rewritable. DVD-DL, dual layer. Capacity, 4.7 GB to 9 GB. Interesting facts. Popular for HD video. Superseded by Blu-ray and flash storage. 5. Flash memory. History. Invented by Toshiba in 1984. Known for speed, portability, and durability. Functionality. Uses transistors, retains data without power. Types. USB flash drive, SD card, SSD. Capacity, 16 GB to multiple TBs. Interesting facts. Wear leveling extends lifespan by distributing writes. Shock resistant compared to HDDs. 6. RAM, random access memory. History. Introduced in the 1960s for temporary data storage. Functionality. Stores processing data temporarily. Types. STRAM, DDR, LPDDR. Capacity. 4 GB to 60, 4 GB plus. Interesting facts. Volatile memory. Data lost when power is off. Higher speed and capacity improve performance. 7. Data size units, smallest to largest. 1. Bit. 2. Byte, 8 bits. 3. Kilobyte, KB, equals 1024 bytes. 4. Megabyte, MB, equals 1024 KB. 5. Gigabyte, GB, equals 1024 MB. 6. Terabyte, TB, equals 1024 GB. 7. Petabyte, PB, equals 1024 TB. 8. Exabyte, EB, 1024 PB. 9. Zettabyte, ZB, equals 1024 EB. 10. Yottabyte, YB, 1024 ZB. 8. Conclusion. The evolution from floppy disks and HDDs to SSDs and flash memory reflects major advancements in speed, capacity, and efficiency. Each generation offers unique benefits and use cases. With technology still progressing, future innovations like DNA storage may revolutionize data storage. Support us with your subscriptions, likes, and encouraging comments so we can keep creating with even more passion and purpose. Every thought you share means the world to us.